First, create an eye-catching profile. Highlight your skills and add a professional photo. Next, define your niche. Specialize in a service that stands out from the crowd. Create compelling gig listings. Use engaging titles and clear descriptions to attract buyers. Don't forget about pricing. Start with competitive rates to entice your first clients. Add a portfolio showcasing your previous work to build credibility and trust. Finally, promote your gig on social media. Share your services with engaging posts. Once your gig is live, stay active. Respond quickly to inquiries to show potential buyers you mean business. Consider sending personalized offers to potential clients. A little effort goes a long way. Watch your metrics. Analyze what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Be persistent and positive. Your first order is just around the corner. Ask for reviews once you land that first order. Great reviews will help boost your profile. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to success in just 7 days.